Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Ongezwa Ntsepe, and today we're going to be doing a updo, a curly updo. So we're first going to start by moisturizing our hair with a leave-in conditioner mixed with water. And then over here, I'm just stretching it out so that it could be easier to manage and easier to work with. So after you've done applying your leave-in conditioner, whatever products you're using, you're just going to comb out your hair. And then after you comb out your hair with the white tooth comb, we're also going to try and detangle it with a brush, and then we'll take it from there. And then here we're going to take your styling gel. I'm using the Eco styling gel. You're gonna take that and apply it around your edges. If you want your style to last longer or your hair is very thick, you can apply the styling gel in sections for a better hold, but I'm just going to apply it on my edges and around my hair. And then after I'm done with this, I am going to take a brush and then just brush it down to make sure that the hair is licked down properly. And then I'm just gonna tie my hair into a bun. When you're done tying your hair, you're then going to put your natural hair into a bun. So you're just gonna apply the leave-in conditioner to make it softer, and then comb your hair out, and then you're gonna make it twist and make that into a bun. And this is the bun that we are going to attach the curly bun onto. Once you're done with that, I'm just going to use this edge control to apply on my edges, just to slick them down. And also, as usual, I'm going to apply in the areas where I feel like I need an extra hold. And then I'm going to use a toothbrush to just brush this down. If you know how to do your edges, this is your chance to do your edges, but I don't know how to do mine. I don't really like them that much, so this is what I do. And then when you're done doing this, you're just gonna put on your silk scarf or your silk durag, and then cover your hair. For it to dry properly, you need a few hours, but if you're okay, you're on a hurry, you can just sit under a dryer or whatever the case may be. But I use this durag to cover my hair, or sometimes I use a scarf, and then I am wearing it inside out because that thingy on the middle there, it always hurts me, so I'm wearing it inside out. And then I'm just going to use this to cover my hair so my styling gel can dry. So this is me a few hours later. I'm just gonna take down this durag, and then this is what my hair looks like. Okay, and then this is the hairpiece that you are going to use. It's a sew-in weave, so that's what it looks like. And then to attach this to your head, you're gonna take a pin and you're gonna put it at the end of your sew-in weave, and then you're going to attach that to your natural hair. And then you're just going to twist it around your natural bun, and then you're going to take another pin and secure it when you are done wrapping it around your natural hair. There was a bit of a struggle there, but we managed. So yeah, the pin are just there to make sure that the hair stays in place. So you can add as many as you want, but I just used two, one at the first end and then the other one at the other end. And then when you are done with this part, you're gonna put up all the hair, and then you're gonna take a rubber band to tie the hair so that your natural bun doesn't peek through the curly hair. So you're just going to take your rubber band or whatever you have, hair tie you have, and then you're just going to tie your hair over there. And then once you're done doing that, you're just going to wrap around the hair around that bun you just made, and then you're going to use a bobby pin to secure it in place again. If you want to, you can use accessories. It's really up to you. I didn't use any for mine, but basically this is how you do the hairstyle. Thank you very much for watching.